Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply an e-visa to Antigua and Barbuda. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, more and more countries are going towards e-visas because they are very easy to apply and it boosts tourism too. So in front of you, I have opened official government website of Antigua and Barbuda e-visa, where they have given the step like you start applying, enter your details and also your personal information, then upload your photo and supporting documents, review, pay, and then you will get an acknowledgement email. Okay, confirming receipt they have sent, and then once they give you this EEE travel letter, then you can print a copy and travel. This mechanism is used in many countries, even for India. What you need: email address, travel document, passport, your photograph, supporting documents, and credit card to pay. Okay. So let's go through this. Okay. Anything you see in this video is sample. It's not of a real person. The application is being prepared by another person on my behalf. I select no. Let's say you are doing your own application. Okay. If you select yes, this will get enabled. So visa type, which type of visa you need. So let's say you're going for visa. Okay, visitor visa. Entry type single, multiple. I'm getting multiple single, or let's do multiple. Intended date of travel. Let's say you're traveling sometime in August. Purpose of trip. What are the options we have? Let's say you're going for vacation. Duration in days. So let's say you're gonna stay there for 15 days. Address where you're gonna stay. So let's say you have done hotel booking, so provide that. I'm just doing sample. What financial means will be held on arrival for support on your stay? So just put all the information that you have, like credit card, traveler's check, prepaid accommodation. Okay. Contact information of the person Antigua who you are going to see. So this is not mandatory, but like if you have like booked hotel or hotel representative, you have to put that information. I intend to work in Antigua. I select no. I plan to attend school. No. Request of expedited processing. So there's a help link. You can see why. But I don't think like in general cases it is required. And then we'll go for continue. Intended has in a single spacing only. Okay, okay, okay. Address. I have done a lot of spacing. So that means they have validations too. Let me see if I can pass through this now. Okay. Travel history. Have you previously been to there? I select no. Have you previously been issued a visa for the country? I select no. Have you previously been refused? I select no. I have an Antigua visa that was cancelled or revoked. I select no. Someone had previously filed an petition for me. I select no. Family. I have immediate family who are currently. I select no. But if you have, definitely provide their information. Continue. Personal data. So this is just sample I'm putting. Okay. National ID number if available. If you have, definitely. Contact information. Phone number. Email address. What should I do? Sample guys, this is not real email address. Home mailing address, provide properly. Email address, birth information, check your passport. I mean, I know already, but just I'm saying, like, be careful with this. These things is always good if they match with your passport. Why wouldn't they? Occupation. Let's say you are an IT consultant. Present employer or school. Of course, you know your employer address. Name present employer or school. Of course, you know their name too. Spousal information. Marital status. If I select married, it will ask the information. If I select single, it won't. So do it as per your case. Document. Okay. So what are the documents it asks for? Passport number. Of course, read your passport and then provide that form. Showing country, issuance date, expiry. Let's say it was place of issue. Let's say it was issued at New Delhi. Just sample, guys. All these pieces of information you'll find on your passport. Passport and supporting documents. Document type. Okay. So photograph is gonna go here. Passport you're gonna do here. Proof of accommodation, proof of fund, travel itinerary. And these things you can attach. Definitely it will. Let me see if I can go to the next stage. Okay, photo and these are mandatory. But anyway, I gave you the idea how you can do it here. So next you're gonna review the information and then payment. So of course I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.